Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix and restore your old photos using the new AI tools inside UniConverter 17. You'll also learn how to remove watermarks from AI generated images with just one click. These tools are super powerful for improving image quality, restoring old or damaged photos, and making them look brand new again using Wondershare UniConverter 17. So let's jump in and see how it works. So this is the homepage of UniConverter 17. It offers a lot of tools for audio, video and images. I'm going to the images section and selecting image enhancer. Now click on add images and import your photo. Here I have a picture of a car and I want to enhance its overall quality. So I'll just click on auto enhancer. Then hit preview. And here's the result. Look at those raindrops. They look much more realistic now. Sometimes we have pictures with blurry faces and we can fix that easily too. Just click on Face Enhancer. Then on Preview and you'll instantly see the difference. It removes the blur and restores the facial details beautifully. Now this picture already looks great, but I want to use it on a large screen, so I'm going to upscale it. I'll select Image Upscaler, choose 8x for the best results and click on Preview. Just look at that. The upscaled image looks much more natural and high quality. You can also restore old or damaged photos. If your image has light damage, choose Basic Repair and click on Preview. It does a pretty good job. But if there are still some visible scratches or damage, select Advanced Repair and Preview again. Wow, that's mind-blowing. It removes all the damage and scratches and the image looks brand new. Now that the photo is restored, let's colorize it. Just click on Old Photo Colorizer, then click Preview. That looks amazing. And remember, you can batch, upscale, enhance, or repair up to 20 photos at once. Simply add all your images, choose your preferred AI model, and click on Export UniConverter will process them automatically. In the Image Tools section, there's also an Image Watermark Remover. Click on it. Then add your image. Adjust the brush size and paint over the watermark. If you select something by mistake, click the deselect button to fix it. Then continue painting over the watermark. Now click on Preview to see the result. This is crazy. The watermarks are gone just like magic. Finally, click Export to save your image. Try UniConverter 17, the link is in the description.